everyone, Nut Free Mama here. It's a snow day, so I'm going to show you how to make Wowbutter Cutout cookies. Okay, this original recipe that I got can make 4.5 dozen cookies. I didn't want to make that much, so I am cutting everything in half. So of course, if you do want to make that much, you can just double all of my ingredients. So of course, first we're going to have 1 cup of the creamy, or a half a cup of the creamy wow butter, because the original recipe was for 1 cup. Then we need 3/8 cup of sugar, 3/8 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of 2% milk, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour plus more for rolling. You need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. You need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then, of course, whatever cookie shapes you want for cutting out. I got some really cool ones the other day. We have a deer. Then I'm going to do some hearts for Valentine's Day. It's snowing, so we have a snowman. And then I found a squirrel. It's so cute. And then whatever you want to decorate with. We have some frosting. Then I have some gel food coloring to color up our frosting. And then I also have these cookie writers. So we're going to use those as well. Okay, there's my brown sugar. I did not have that out yet. If you don't know how to measure 3/8 cup, it is just 6 tablespoons. And make sure that is packed. Okay, so first in a large bowl, we are just going to cream together with our electric mixer the wow butter and both sugars until they're light and fluffy. It says about 4 minutes. Okay, that looks good to me. That took about 2 minutes. Next, we're going to go ahead and beat in our egg, milk, and vanilla. Okay, that looks really good. Next, in a separate bowl, we are going to combine our flour, baking powder, and baking soda. And then we're going to add that to our wet. Okay, that is well combined. I just whisked it all together, my dry ingredients. Now I'm just going to add that to the wet a little at a time and just make sure it's all well combined with my electric mixer. Okay, that is ready to go. After you are done mixing it with your mixer, it will just look like little crumbs. So you do have to just go in there by hand, combine it all into this little dough ball, and we are going to put that in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Okay, that is ready to go into the refrigerator for 2 hours. Okay, now those have been in for 2 hours in the refrigerator, so we want to go ahead and preheat our oven to 375 and dust a surface with your flour so you can roll out your dough. Okay, so this is ready to go into the oven, and they are going to go in there for 7 to 9 minutes. You just basically roll your dough out just like any other cookie dough, but it is a little harder to work with than regular cookie dough. And just roll it to about 1/4 an inch, cut your shapes out, and just keep re-rolling it until you have all of your designs that you want. Okay, so the first batch is out of the oven. You just want to let those cool for a minute and then transfer them to a cookie rack, just to let them cool completely before you go ahead and frost them. Okay, these are all ready and they already cooled off, and Taste Tester and I decorated them all. You can tell who did what, I think. But they turned out great. Like I said, the dough was a little harder to work with, but just keep at it and go ahead and refrigerate it if it needs to be refrigerated more so you can do your second batch. But now we're going to have Taste Tester have a little taste. Okay, Taste Tester, you already have one ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, have a little taste.
Yum. Yum.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, come back and see us again and like and subscribe.
Okay.
Bye.